If you're planning to shoot the 2026 total solar eclipse, save yourself a ton of wasted time, stress, and energy by using this 4-minute totality demonstration to practice your totality image projects at home. It incorporates the audio prompts from the powerful Solar Eclipse Timer app by Gordon Telepun, link in comments and use with permission, along with SET's video demonstrations, as well as the images you can expect for a 50, 150, or 600 millimeter lens based on screen recordings from Stellarium. Everything's synchronized to locations near Valladolid, Spain, where totality lasts for 1 minute and 44 seconds. Your actual timings will, of course, be slightly different if you're somewhere else. Most importantly, you can use this demo to practice your own planned totality image projects over and over again at home. When to remove or install your solar filters, when to capture your images of totality, the diamond rings, Bailey's beads, and so forth. Trust me, when Eclipse A arrives, you'll be glad you did.
Alright, we're going to 2000 now.
2090. So I'm going to 16.
Yep, and I'm going to 2000.
No. Hey, Sarah.
Switch. Hey, high shutter speed.
You gotta do eyeball.
I know, we're going. Switch to shutter speeds as well.
Oh, you're up to 2000?
60 seconds. Observe for shadow bands.
Observe for shadow bands.
Observe for shadow bands. Hey, look at these shadow bands. Shadow bands look sick. Be ready to pull. Alright.
40 seconds. Observe umbra approach.
40 seconds. Observe umbra.
30 seconds. Hands on camera filters.
30 seconds. Hands on camera.
30 seconds. Hands on filters.
20. Remove camera filters.
20.
Pull.
Move camera filters.
15.
Right now?
Yeah.
15. Start taking them at
10.
10. Holy cow.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Glasses off. Glasses off. Observe for planets and stars.
Down one tick.
I got a lot of them.
Yeah. You got it?
There's an amazing prominence at 6 o'clock.
Is there?
Yeah.
Alright, you ready? Here, run this. We're going to start taking our set now. What do we... So nuts. You getting the photos, buddy?
Just take shots. Take shots.
Be ready. All right, you ready?
Max eclipse in 10
Go,
seconds.
1, 2. Wait a second. Click.
All right, Destin, let's take ours.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Down 2 ticks.
Slower.
And then wait a minute and take a picture.
Go down to like...
Observe the horizon.
Done. Go back to 2000.
You can see a prominence right on the bottom.
I know. You can see it with the naked eye. Wow, look at it. Center.
That's amazing at prominence.
Yeah, it's incredible.
Third contact in 20 seconds.
Third contact in 20 seconds.
20 seconds. Oh, we got to start popping.
15.
Start taking pictures. At 2000?
15.
Yeah.
10. Get your glasses.
10. Get your glasses. Oh, it's almost over.
5, 4, 3,
Yes, start,
2,
start.
1. Glasses on. Glasses on. Glasses on.
Diamond ring.
Wow, look at it. Oh, I'm smoking.
Plus 10 seconds.
Keep going. Keep taking. Keep taking.
Plus 15. Replace camera filters.
Replace camera filters.
Filters back on.
Plus 25. Observe for shadow bands.
Observe for
Observe shadow bands. Let's see if they come back. I would say so.
All right, we gotta put our filters back on. Little tiny one. It was.
Plus 45. Observe umbra exit.